We just finished up this 2021 Heritage Land Cruiser. This has got all OME and suspension in it. It also has a set of SPC upper control arms in it. Obviously you can see the tires on this. They are a set of 285/75 R17s on a set of Icon wheels. People are gonna ask me, do these fit on right away? Do you just put them on? No, they don't just fit on. I'll show you what we have to do here is we push the liners forward down here in the front. Let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Push the liner forward, remove the back flap here. We trim the fender down here, try to keep it nice and round to match so it doesn't look like it's been cut or modified at all. Just keep it super clean. We push this forward and then we check it and we get it to where we know that it's not going to rub the tire at full steering lock, and then we repin it, and then we go back in, and when we pin it we actually relocate the screws and make it look like it's factory with the screws location, and trim the plastic so it's still all intact. In the back corner here, we trim the back corner off of it right here, but still trying to keep that factory look. This did not need a body mount chop. So people ask me, does it need a body mount chop? No, it did not. So we hope you enjoyed the car, this video. And this does have a set of our 0 degree with top plates. These are our TIG welded DOM rock sliders. And then one of the cool characteristics of it and the design is down here in the front. So we designed it so it would match the arch here on the front and then match the body seam all the way through tight to the back. And then obviously our signature bottle opener here. These are a set of weld-on rock sliders. You can see how we have installed them. We try to make them look like they're factory on there as well. And then they mount in 3 different spots. Super secure, and this thing came out really good. I like the color combination together, and hope you enjoyed as well. Please let us know if you've got any questions. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.